It can be a job if you want it, but it can also be a career. I tell a lot of the new people that I see promise in, come to work every day, be the best at your job. Don't worry about all the other stuff, and you're gonna move up.
Like I said, I'm on my 20th year. Because I came here knowing nothing about mold injection at all. And then I learned it, and then I fell in love with it. So that's where I stayed. I worked my way up.
Jerry and I go way back. He was in orientation with me my first week here at Nifco. You see him delivering his work ethic. I think he's shown that through the last 20 years. His work ethic is second to none. And you see that in his kids.
After being here and seeing how Nifco is, I'm going, okay, this would be a good place for my kids. You know, I trust Nifco. Got John Paul, who works in assembly, Michelle, who works back in Unit 18, Monica, who's a production supervisor, of course, Mary.
I think it's a very fun, fast-paced environment, and that's what I like. I like fast-paced. I saw it was very diverse. I never worked in anywhere with this kind of diversity, so it was pretty neat to get to know all the different kinds of people.
We're a pretty big family here, and it's always been like that. I mean, I left but came back because I missed that aspect. I mean, Nifco is different than any place. I've worked with Jerry a while, and like I said, I've Mary, I've had her, I've got Monica now. You work hard, look at all the success stories, and it's not just the Chamberlain, it's throughout Nifco. There's a lot of families that the mom or dad has started working here, and they've brought their kids, and they've all did the right thing and moved up. There's a lot of places it's not like that.
The opportunity is here. It just made me a stronger person, and it made my kids a stronger person.
As things became open, I would apply, interview, and as I kept getting positions, it made me more confident in myself that I can do this, and I just kept going up. I never dreamed I'd be where I am now, here at Nifco. Nifco gives you so many opportunities to move up, and I just took it.
She'll keep going up the ladder, I know she will, and to make Nifco proud of her. And I'm sure Nifco's already proud of her. But yeah, I'm proud of her. Oh my God, it almost put me in tears talking about her. I mean, I'm proud.
I've joked with him before, can you start having some more kids so in 20 years Nifco will be set? But he said he's done. Right, Jerry?